Pinoy, usual puntahan lang yan. BGC, Makati, na wala na yung Manila. When you talk about Rizal Park, lalo yung mga bata, anong makikita mo no, anong pupuntahan mo doon. So, ayun nga, parang Mabuhay Rest really provides parang to go to place for people in the Philippines, especially in Manila, na they can really enjoy a lot of different things here. Yung music natin, yan nga, theater, arts, so around makikita mo, na-highlight yung mga iba't ibang artists natin. Tawag dito, food, Filipino food. So, and in a way na we share about the works in nation building. Hindi naman gawad kanina, pero alam mo naman na the work of a lot of people, tawag dito, kasi we're working with different people. Number one na si Nestor Torre, kaya Biam, and the other artists na makikita mo all around. Kasi a lot of their artworks, they have more or less committed na part of the proceeds, for example, sales from the artworks would go to Gawad Kalinga. Tawag dito, Mabuhay Rest Stop itself, 30%, we've committed 30% of our profits to GK.
Wow, talagang may ano rin pala talaga. Purpose.
Like I mentioned nga kay Mon kanina, he was asking about sino yung mga artists niyo rito. I told him, we have seasoned theater performers, tawag dito, in our shows, like for example, si Kuya Dio, he's actually, tawag dito, gonna be playing Cabezang Tales soon sa CCP.
Okay.
Si Kuya Andy Baez is part of Manila. Tawag dito, theater actor din siya. We have people from Spotlight Theater, ganyan. So, sila, and then complemented with residents from Gawad Kalinga. Like, for example, yung minions ni Kuya Dio kanina. They're from GK.
Okay.
Gawad Kalinga niyan, residents.
Okay. Kala ko mga theater actors din, gano'n.
Well, training yung dalawa.
Okay.
Kasi studying, they're scholars at Mid College. Yan, so nag-aaral silang theater arts. The other one naman, si Pipe, singer pala. He's part of the Mabuhay Angklung Choir. Previously, Mabuhay Tatalon, the Tatalon Performing Arts Group. So, choir group sila, and they performed in different places, big venues. So, singer din talaga siya. They were trained, like now, they're being trained with the help of different benefactors. So, more or less scholars talaga sila through GK.
Okay. Paano yun naman nako-collect yung mga artifacts, yung mga, ano na yan? Gano'n.
Art circles, like for example, the stained glass art is by Kuya Pancho Piano. He's tawag dito, an advocate of GK talaga rin. Intramuros Visual Artists of the Philippines, so makikita nyo all around yung mga artworks sila. Kuya Pancho introduced sa Linggoy, it's his Bicol Art Circle. So, yan. Meron din tayong AAP, Arts Association of the Philippines. Yan. Ito lang sila. So, really, talagang through NCCE din, of course, nakatulong din. They've been helping us, like for example, yung aming Mabuhay Folk Arts Group. So, they're a dance group. We were able to get the endorsement of Bayanihan, to get funding from SCA, konti lang to help with their training, summer workshop ng Bayanihan. So, katulad din ng the Rondalia group namin, yung Mabuhay Rondalia group, so from different GK communities like Baseco, Quezon City, ganyan. So, nag-train sila this summer. So, endorsed din ng NCCA. We were able to get, what do you call this, trainer for them.
The majority of the players pala, yung mga represent kami from GK.
Yes, kasi tawag dito, we want to share yung what do you call, the good news. Kasi parang, there's a very negative connotation about the Philippines, especially sa mga foreigners.
Yes, yes.
Ganyan.
Mm.
They hear yung Philippines, ay, ano yan, tawag dito, it's just no, there's nothing to see there. The Filipinos, parang, they really have this crab mentality, ganyan, pero hindi. A lot of Filipinos are working together to help each other out of poverty.
Yes.
Are you open for because most of the products galing sa GK, di ba?
Mhm.
So, okay lang na pumasok ng ibang, halimbawa, galing sa ibang province, Laguna,
Yes,
products ng
oo.
Laguna.
Kami
products-
naman po, anything that would really, parang, you can say na pride of the Philippines. Gawang Pilipino, Filipino product, made in the Philippines, kahit foreigner ang ano niyan, anything. Basta, there's really something about the Philippines that we can be proud of. Ganun. Like for example po,
Marami akong alam na beer na local.
You know. Yeah.
Ayan. Beer talaga. Beer talaga.